If you're learning Spanish and you're looking for tricks to speak better, here's a trick for you. We're gonna be covering 3 concepts that you should know to produce more sentences. I don't want you to think about conjugation. It takes a lot of time to remember all the endings for every single verb. What we're gonna do is to combine verbs. Let's say you know one verb, like trabajar, which is to work. What I'm gonna show you is how to exploit this verb in sentences. And in order to do so, you need to know some structures. The first one is the double verbs. Here, you only need to remember the word quiero, which means I want, and also necesito, I need. So now we can use the base verb trabajar. You can say quiero trabajar or necesito trabajar. You're not changing this new verb, and you're creating a complete sentence in Spanish. Quiero trabajar, I want to work. Necesito trabajar, I need to work. Then we have the structure with ser to provide an opinion, a general opinion about things. In this case, what we need to remember is the word es, and then we can place any adjective. How do you say important in Spanish? Importante. How do you say possible? Posible. Then you can use good, bad, better, worse, any adjective. And again, after this structure, you're allowed to use trabajar as it is. Trabajar, to work. So in this case, you're saying it's important to work. Es importante trabajar, right? And finally, you're gonna use a structure with the verb ir, which is to go, and it's to express the future tense. In this case, you need to conjugate the verb ir, to go, and the conjugation for the first person is voy. And now you need to add a, voy a, I'm going to. And yes, again, you're allowed to use the word trabajar. So what we have here is so many sentences that you can apply, and we're using only one verb. Let's say you know how to say to eat, which is comer, to speak, which is hablar. So here you go. What we have here is quiero hablar, I want to speak. Necesito hablar, I need to speak. Es importante hablar, it's important to speak. Voy a hablar, I'm going to speak. And why this is important? Because if you start combining this with linking words, you're gonna be able to say a lot of information in Spanish. Let's mix some verbs. We have here quiero hablar, I want to speak. Es necesario practicar, it's necessary to practice. And voy a hacer, I'm going to be. Let's add some context and some linking words and see what happens. Here you go. Quiero hablar español, pero es necesario practicar todos los días. Entonces voy a ser fluido. The blue part is the linking words, so, then, and, or, all of those that you should know now. And the red part is context, extra words that we say in order to provide information. But this part, quiero hablar, es necesario practicar, and voy a hacer is the core of the sentence. So when you know how to combine verbs, you're gonna be able to say so many things in Spanish. If you want me to cover more about this trick, like and subscribe. Remember that I'm Nelfer Velilla and this is 2 Minute Spanish.